Hey, this is Ed from TrolMaster going over the input panel here on the bottom of the HydroX system. Power, Ethernet, sensors, devices, line 1 and line 2 here for lights, micro SD slot for years of data storage, local, also micro SD slot for reprogramming the unit should a new update become available. We will provide that online. Sensors is going to include your temperature, humidity, light, as well as CO2 and smoke. Devices are going to include temperature, humidity, CO2, as well as our program recycle stations. Also, on the devices line, you will be installing the ARS-1 mini split controller as well as the TS-1 HVAC controller, line 1 and line 2 for lighting. We make an adapter for most lighting on the market.